Okay, can you hear this? My Byrna XL is leaking CO2. This is the sixth time, 6 fresh, brand new cartridges, never used before. Back to back, all 6 times I've placed them in there, put them in there correctly. As you can see, it's in there correctly, but it's hissing. Listen, it's letting out air. I don't know what happened, but it just started doing that. Come on, Byrna, let's do something better.
Answer me. Answer me. I said answer me. I'm not gonna take no for an answer. You're gonna answer me. Hey, no, I don't care if I'm disturbing everything. Hey, I know people are looking at you funny. Answer me right now. Answer me. I'm gonna keep going until you answer me, okay? Answer me. You gotta do it.